How to fix this purchase was not completed in Roblox. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can fix this purchase was not completed in Roblox. So let's just dive right into the video and find out how to do it. So if you want to fix this purchase was not completed in Roblox, first thing is opening up the Roblox application itself. After it is opened up, you can go to the More tab in the bottom right corner. And first thing is heading over to the settings and verifying yourself. So you can head over to the account info section and make sure each of your account is, each of your information given here is verified, like the phone number, email address, and everything, because that may be the reason why your purchases are not being verified or not being purchased. Another thing is go ahead and close your Roblox application first. And once you are there, go to the Play Store. And from Play Store, you need to head over to the top right corner, tap on your profile, and then go to Payments and Subscriptions. After that, go to Payment Methods. And you need to add credit card or debit card. After that, verify your payment method. Once that is done, head back to Roblox again, Roblox application. And once you have reached here on the top, you can find a Roblox. You can just go ahead and tap on it and go on with the purchase method. So that is how you do it. Following up this method, you can fix it. So I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching this video.